Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we're heading south on I-95 through northeastern Florida, beginning at mile marker 291 and traveling down to mile 266. Because of some inconsistencies in the placement of mile markers, this segment actually covers about 25.4 miles. We begin our journey in Palm Coast, located in Flagler County. Palm Coast is a relatively young city that began large-scale development in the 1970s and officially became incorporated in 1999. Today, it has a population of more than 98,000 people and continues to grow rapidly. The city is known for its miles of hiking and biking trails, beautiful parks, and quiet residential neighborhoods. Each spring, it hosts the Palm Coast Songwriters Festival, which brings musicians and fans together for several days of live performances and storytelling. As we move along this stretch of highway, we pass through mostly wooded terrain with a few commercial areas and subdivisions scattered near the interchanges. At exit 284, we come to the junction with State Road 100, which heads west to Bunnell and east to Flagler Beach. Bunnell is the county seat and one of the oldest communities in the area, although it remains relatively small. Traveling east brings you to the Gamble Rogers Memorial State Recreation Area, which sits between the Atlantic Ocean and the Intracoastal Waterway. The park offers oceanfront camping, hiking trails, and a quiet stretch of beach that attracts visitors looking to escape the more crowded resort areas. The land around this stretch of highway is a mix of pine forests and wetlands, with low elevation and a few scattered developments visible from the interstate. As we continue heading south, we cross into Volusia County. This county has a population of around 580,000 and covers a wide area from the Atlantic coast all the way to the St. Johns River. Volusia includes both densely populated cities and more rural communities. Tourism is a key part of the economy here, driven largely by the beach towns and the events held in and around Daytona Beach. We soon enter Ormond Beach, a coastal city with about 44,000 residents. It's often considered part of the Daytona Beach metropolitan area. Known for its quiet residential character and wide beaches, Ormond Beach was once a winter retreat for wealthy industrialists, including John D. Rockefeller. Exit 273 provides access to the city and marks another crossing of US Highway 1, which is run parallel to I-95 through much of this route. As we approach mile 266, signs begin to appear for Daytona Beach. The surroundings become more developed with larger buildings, more traffic, and a noticeable shift from forested areas to suburban and urban landscapes. This is where we'll wrap up today's drive. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.